100 fish today. Yes, okay, you did catch something. Yay! Yay! Finally, we're doing this. Caught another one. Mr. Eric is the lucky rod. Yes. Got a sand. I forgot what you call it. Just trying to sell it. There you go, buddy.
What is this, Luke?
This is the best burger in LA. On a burger.
I've heard other people say the same thing. Best burger in LA. We're not even in LA. We're like 3 or 4 or 5, maybe 10 miles out of LA in the middle of the ocean. I don't know if it has to do with the bun. Maybe it's a little bit crunchy, the bun, but at the same time it's also very soft and bunny. Regardless, it is the best burger.